नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामातीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल द स्टुडंट ऑफ क्लास BSc TY, subject zoology, paper number 13A, name of the paper pisciculture, semester 5th, unit number 2nd, fish seed resources. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. In the last period, today's topic is induced breeding. In this, that is the Chinese hatchery. In the last period, we see that is the induced breeding method. In this, that is the bund breeding method they are to form. Then next is the collection, rearing and selection of brooder. After that is bund breeding, that is the first is form stocking. Breeders are collected during the winter month and stocked at the rate of 1000 to 2000 kilo per hectare of water. These fishes may be fed daily with the artificial food. These fishes may be fed daily with artificial food like the rice bran, oil cake, 10% of body weight. Artificial feeding is not needed. If the natural food is present in the stocking pond, the feeding is stopped one day before the administration of injection. Second is the determination of the sex. During the breeding season, a mature male of major and medium sized carp can be easily distinguished by the roughness of dorsal surface of pectoral fin in contrast to that of the female, which is the very smooth at touch. The roughness appears as early as the February and the March and disappear when the breeding season is over. That is also with the help of their external morphology we determine the sex. A fully ripe male oozes milk on the slight pressure of the abdomen, whereas the fully ripe female has bulging abdomen and swollen vent. Healthy breeders weighing about 1.5 to 5 kg are always preferred. In this, that is breeding technique. Generally, induced breeding experiment is adopted at the onset of monsoon when the fishes become fully ripe. Breeders are netted out from the larger ponds and transferred to the smaller pond for facilitating the easy capture at the time of experiment. Ripe breeders, that is the male and female, are netted out and kept in the hand nets within the breeding happa. Hypodermic needles selected for the purpose of injection include a 2 ml of syringe graduated to the 0.1 ml division. Clinical needles number 24, 22 and 19 are used for the breeders over the 1 kg to 1.1 to 3 kg and above the 3 kg respectively. One set usually consists of 1 female and 2 males. The female and males are injected with the dose as described earlier in the chapter. That is also the section dosage. Both the injected male and 1 female are introduced together in the breeding happa. As in the figure we see, that is the figure breeding happa. Makes up of fine meshed mosquito net cloth fixed with the bamboo poles in the pond. Also the substitute of pituitary hormones. With the advancement of fish culture program, the synthetic hormones have been prepared as a substitute of pituitary hormones. These are also the chorionics, gonadotrophins, mammalian hormone, human chorionics, gonadotrophin, HCG, prolan, sulfonylurea, pregnant merspherium, that is called PMS, methyl testosterone, methyl progesterone, deoxycorticosteroid acetate, etc. Then this, that is breeding happa. The breeding happa, also in the figure, is a rectangular box shaped container made up of fine meshed mosquito net cloth and are closed on all sides to prevent the breeders from escaping out. Can be opened only from above by rolling the cloth. While introducing the injected breeders into it, the breeding happas are of variable size depending upon the weight of breeders. This also the size is give first for the breeding weighing below 1.63 kg. Second size for the breeders weighing between 1.63 to 4.36 kg. Third size for the breeders weighing about 4.36 kg. It is suspended inside the water with the help of the bamboo poles mixed at its four corners. About the 13 to 20 cm of happa should remain above the water surface and the bottom of the happa should not touch the muddy pond bed. Spanning occurs within the happa. After about 2 hours of the second injection, the breeders start swimming actively, excited and restless, and try to jump out. The more active one chases the other, pushing it with snout. The male does not allow the female to rest. Spanning usually occurs within the 3 to 6 hours after the second injection. When the spanning is over, the breeders are removed. The fertilized eggs are either allowed to hatch within the same happa or transferred to the deep hatching happas with the help of the Benji jal. The Benji happas are fixed inside the pond. Sometimes the heavy mortality occurs due to the sudden rise of temperature and advance the physico-chemical characters. Also in this condition of water in the pond, the clean water without the single bloom are given satisfactory result. Attempts are about to install the pituitary bank to meet the overgrowing demand for the pituitary gland or its extract from the cultures from the different part of the country. Then also the identification of fertilization egg. The fertilized eggs appear transparent, pearl-like, whereas unfertilized eggs are opaque and whitish. Fecundity rate of Indian major calves is about 2 lakh per kilogram body weight. Also in this, which factor they are influencing the induced breeding method? Generally, the under listed factors induced breeding influence the induced breeding. First is the favorable climatic and hydrologic condition increase the chance of successful induced breeding. I mean, that is also essential for favorable climate and hydrological condition. Also, second factor is the cool weather. That is also the temperature range is about 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. Rainy periods enhance generally breeding. Third factor is the flowing water is preferred to by major calves. Fourth factor, turbidity is also about within 100 to 1000 milligram. Light drizzling follow the heavy rain is ideal for the induced breeding. Failures are mostly due to incorrect choice of breeders. It is also the wrong dose of pituitary extract and unfavorable climatic condition, hot. That is also salty or the sunny days are not suitable for the undertaking induced breeding. Light is taken to bring about early maturation and spanning in the fishes by way of enhanced photoperiod. That is also seeing the Pandey, K and Agarwal in 1990. SODO, dissolved oxygen concentration, should not be less than 5 ppm. Then this also, that is the induced breeding method. This takes place with the help of the breeding method and also the different factor their influences for the selection of the breeders. Then the modification of in the induced breeding system of major carp, this is also called Chinese hatchery or the Chinese pattern. So generally Chinese hatchery or the Chinese pattern. Recently, a substitute method of Happa breeding has been adopted in the India, which is known as the Chinese pattern of breeding in the major carps. It comprises the following construction, that is also in the figure we see spanning pool or the breeding tank or called the honeymoon chamber. Second is the hatching pool. So in that is also the figure we see hatching pools, water circulating pipe, system level pond, water supply from the tank to pool, shower, spanning pool, water pipe, water tank, ladder, pipe to hatching pools and gate wall. That is also in the figure we see, that is the Chinese system or the Chinese hatchery of the induced breeding, showing the spanning and hatching pools. In this also the different example they show, that is Chinese hatchery, that is the eggs, hatching size. For example, Katla, Rohu, Mrigala. They say that is the different for their eggs diameter, color, shape, size, yolk sac, somites, fry, fingerlings. How the differentiation in between these fishes like the Katla, Rohu and Mrigala, that is also they called major Indian carps. In this, that is also see the spanning pool. The following are the silent feature of the spanning pool. It is a circular insect designed by the inlet and outlet of water. Center is shallow with one hole of 5 to 10 centimeter in the diameter for the transfer of fertilized eggs of definite species of major carp into the hatching pools. Adjustment of showers inside the pool for the proper oxygenation of water. Also the device for circulation of water, pollution and predator free. Gives a natural environment for the breeding of carps. They are connected with the tube well for the sufficient supply of the fresh water. The following steps are involved before the transferring the mates, that is the male and female carps of selected species. Also in this, that is the healthy mature male and female species of the carps are selected. These are injected with the hormones like the Ovaprim or any other before transferring into the breeding pools. The recommended doses are also for female of Katla 5 ml per kg body weight. For the female of Rohu 4 ml per kg body weight. For the female of Mrigal 3 ml per kg body weight. For the male major carp, the recommended dose is about 1 to 2 mg per kg body weight. Hormonal injection is applied in the late evening. Hormone injected major carps are placed into the breeding tank, where the meat and eggs laying start after about 9 hours. Second type is the hatching pools. This also following are the silent feature of hatching pools. They are serially arranged. They are also the circular in shape. Then also the level lower than the breeding tank. Also in this, that is connected with the pipe from the breeding tank, equipped with the shower system inside for the better oxygenation, having the device for maintaining the water level, having the nozzle in one direction for water rotation. This is the so constructed to avoid the settling of the eggs. In the hatching pools, the eggs are kept for 3 to 4 days. In this pool, the eggs are hatched to a stage of fry. The fry are collected with the mosquito net cloth and soon transferred to the nursery pond. In one time, one species of major carps are placed in the breeding pool and accordingly fry are collected from any hatching pools. Yes, goes. Goodbye the student. Today we learn about that is Chinese hatchery, or it is also called a Chinese pattern, which is included in the induced breeding method.